zoom out. Time, like clocks, has many faces, and two hands and two plans, a beginning and an ending, so zoom out. In 2 days, tomorrow will be a yesterday I can no longer borrow. The past may be written and the future is a vision, but the present is a present I am glad that I was given, so zoom out. The beginning of a new year marks the end of another. In order for sisters to exist, there has got to be a brother. The past is the water that has run into the sink. The future is the water that is yet to run, we think. And the present is the sponge that the future runs through. You cannot hold it nor capture it, just feel it as it moves. And this is the rapture we all at one may choose. My days are numbered like a decimal point, but with growth comes aging, so time can yet anoint. To develop is to die if you are enveloped in the lie, so zoom out. The atom is the me and the you and the fish, and the gap between the two is just an ocean unseen. If you catch what I mean, then there is no we or you or me or I, or then there is only a now. But how can you be me when my eye says I am my own self fly? At the macroscopic level, is there really not a relevant way to distinguish between two distinguished gents? Because if the I be is the we that God sees, then the you I perceive is just the me I don't believe. The stars and the bees are the me's I don't conceive, and the fish is the world, is the sun, is the sea. So you and I are me and we and thee, and in biblical terms with a capital He. So zoom out. And at the fundamental level, we do not comprehend the comprehensible. The honest physics for this quantum lyricist is that the mystery is still visibly invisible. There be a level of existence that links us all so small the hairs on your head cannot find it. The watch on the arm of a millisecond has no chance of spotting it. The nucleus of a nucleus's nucleus is not the core of all things, but an infinitely small being that sings, and when split with the wings of lasers sends shockwaves through human cities the size of universes to it. And were the nucleus to be the size of a basketball, the electron surrounding, which is the outer shell of a particle, would be 20 miles away. So what makes up all things is not things. The stuff of stuff is not stuff, but space. A fabric, an ocean, a wave of instrumental, fundamental potential. The possibility of life that connects nucleus, electron, particle, article, plankton, shark, dolphin, quark, human, arc, you and me. Because if it is truly true that all things are angled from your own perspective, and at the moment of the Big Bang we were all entangled, then all things are linked even more so than I am capable of thinking. And zoom out. So the atom is the particle's the grain is just the sand you hold inside your hand again. The grain is multiplied until the beach is there alive. The beach is just the earth beneath the ocean, and the motion of the sand and all the rocks is the grating of tectonic plates, and then the mix of all the bricks and the mortars make up the cities and the sons and the guns and the daughters. And if you add it all together and multiply it by life times chaos and order, then the ball hanging in an infinite sea of space is the planet on which our race was born. And zoom out. And now, who now cannot see the multiplicity of earths and births and matter and atoms is actually a galaxy, the blacker sea. So zoom out and see the galaxy is just a speck of dirt, inert, on the sleeve of the intergalactic universe, and the whole of existence glistens to the sound of human pistons while we zoom out, tombs doubt to the entirety of matter and antimatter. To even comprehend it madder than the Mad Hatter battering my mind, because the conscious mind is all that links all things that think and do not think. So where's my fucking shrink when you need him?